Hey guys, I'm Paloma. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies. The ingredients you need is some eggs, some white sugar, white and brown sugar, vanilla, soft butter, flour, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder, and white chocolate chips. The first thing you do is put in your vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. Okay. Now we're going to add in 2 large eggs. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands, so I'll see you in a little bit. I'm back. Now we're gonna add in our 2 sugars. Now we're gonna mix it together. Once you're done mixing your wet ingredients, you're gonna add in your cocoa powder. Now we're gonna add in our white flour. Now we're gonna add in our salt and baking soda. Now we're gonna mix it. Be careful because the flour can fly. I'm back. So after you're done putting this, you can ask your mom and dad for help. Look it looks like Play-Doh. Now we're gonna add in 2 cups of white chocolate. Oh, yeah. Now we're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Bye. See you later. After you're done putting them in your refrigerator, you're gonna take them out and put them in little balls. After you're done putting them in little balls, you're gonna cook them in the oven for 350 degrees. So I'll see you later with the cookies. The cookies been baking in the oven for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna try it. These are so good. I hope you can try them. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'll see you all next time. Bye.